Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get tickets on Expedia mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Expedia app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on the home screen, you will see a different tabs like flight, hotels, things to do, and more. Tap on flights if you are booking a plane ticket, or tap things to do for attraction or event tickets. For flights, enter your departure time, destination, and travel date. Then tap on search. Browse through the list of available options. Tap on the flight or activity you like to see the details, including price, timing, and what's included. When you are ready, tap select or continue. Now enter the required details like your name, date of birth, and contact info. For flight, make sure the name matches your ID or passport exactly. Now enter your payment details and review the hotel. Then tap book now or complete purchase. Once booked, your e-tickets or booking confirmation will be sent to your email and will also appear under the trips tab in the app. And that's it. You have just booked your ticket using the Expedia mobile app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.